In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix broken links in Shopify. Broken links can be a real hassle, impacting your store's user experience and SEO. But don't worry, because together we'll go through a clear and effective process to identify and fix these pesky problems. We'll start by accessing your Shopify store's admin dashboard. Once you're there, look to the left-hand side of your screen and select Online Store. This will reveal a drop-down menu. Click on Navigation from this list. Navigation is where all your menus are housed, and it's a great starting point to check for broken links that might be affecting your customer's experience. Now, it's time to review your link list. Begin by going through the menus and clicking on each link. It's important to check each one to see if it directs you to the correct page or product. If a link does not work, you'll encounter an error message. Keep track of these broken links as you go along. A spreadsheet might be helpful here to stay organized. Once you've identified the broken links, let's address them one by one. You'll need to open the link in the navigation editor. Click on the link you want to fix, and it will open the link editor. Here, you can update the URL to the correct one or even remove the link if it's no longer necessary. In some cases, you might still have broken links leading to pages that no longer exist. If you want to maintain a smooth user experience, consider setting up a redirect instead of just removing it. You'll want to head over to the Online Store section again and select Navigation, then look for URL Redirects. You can add a new redirect here by entering the old, broken URL in the Redirect From field, then entering the new, correct URL in the Redirect To field. This way, visitors will automatically be taken to the new page without any hassle. After you've updated links and set up redirects, don't forget to save the changes. It's important to test everything again to ensure your links are working smoothly. Give a final check to see if the redirects are properly functioning. By regularly monitoring and fixing broken links, you maintain a polished and user-friendly online store. It's also crucial for SEO, as it helps search engines index your store more effectively, potentially improving your search engine ranking. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll keep your Shopify store's navigation clean and efficient, enhancing the overall customer experience while preserving all the benefits of working links for SEO purposes. Thank you for tuning in. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more Shopify tips and tricks.